Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by blocking the BMW M5 silhouette with simple shapes. Draw a long rectangle 4 units long by 1 unit tall to hold the body proportion. Subdivide it with vertical lines at 1, 2 units and 2. 6 units for hood, cabin, and trunk placement. Add 2 circle wheels with a diameter equal to 1/4 of the car height and set the wheelbase near 2. 5 units between centers. Keep lines light. These guides control length, cabin height, and wheel spacing before we add details. Refine the silhouette by shaping the hood slope and roofline. Angle the windshield near 25 degrees to give a sporty stance, and lower the rear deck slightly. Draw pronounced wheel arches around each wheel, leaving about 0.08 units clearance beyond wheel diameter to suggest tire fit. Sketch the BMW kidney grille centered on the front third, flanked by 2 headlight clusters. Keep headlights elongated and slightly tapered. Lightly indicate door seams and lower side skirts, following the rectangle's bottom edge for accurate panel placement. Finish by adding defining details. Draw 5-spoke rims with brake discs visible behind spokes, and add a rear diffuser and dual exhaust tips on the left and right. Use thin lines for door handles, mirror stalks, and the M5 badge on the trunk. Apply shading. Darken under sills and inner wheel wells with 20 to 30% tone, add subtle reflections on glass using thin highlights, and shade surfaces according to a dominant light source at roughly a 3:1 direction ratio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.